sales techniques that could also potentially help you in other areas of sales. Hey, would you like to try a sample of layered superfoods?
I would love to, but my arms are sore.
No worries, I've got a grocery basket. Alright, now would you like to try a sample of layered superfoods? Alright, here's a sample. Alright, so the grocery cart technique is awesome. Anytime you get a win or a yes, you're more likely to get the sale. So if somebody's walking around the grocery store, their arms are full, and you give them a cart, you're the superhero. You're helping them out. They're way more likely to try your product, have a positive experience, and ultimately purchase the product on your table. Hey, how's it going? I see you're looking at coffee. You really should try this brand. It is amazing. Shelf sale technique is excellent. Our very first client ever was a Hawaiian coffee brand, and we sold more than 3/4 of all of our sales using the shelf sales technique. So the shelf sales technique, what it is essentially, you see somebody looking for coffee on the shelf, which is what you're demoing that day, you're gonna go up to them and suggest a coffee brand. If you're coming in being the superhero, they might not know what coffee brand they want, so you're offering the solution. This coffee brand is amazing, you should try it. They're likely to buy your product right then and there. Try the shelf sales technique. Would you like to try a sample of an instant coffee or matcha? Coffee, all right, so here is a sample of the coffee. This is from Layered Superfoods. Layered Superfoods is a creamer or coffee that has different superfoods in it. It's a coconut base, it's non-GMO, and it's also vegan as well. The Jedi mind trick technique is amazing. You should be doing this almost any demo. After you've handed the person a sample and you're explaining the 3 main selling points of the brand, ideally you want to hold the product out and then point to the different parts in the bag that show those 3 main selling points. So for example, on this one, it's going to say non-GMO, and it's going to say vegan. So you can point to that as you're saying those sales points. What usually happens, especially when I pull my hand away, is people will grab it out of my hand. Now it's in their hand. Once the product's in their hand, they're way more likely to purchase it. They're also going to feel less comfortable putting the item down, so you've probably locked in that sale. So try the Jedi mind trick technique.